Okay, so welcome to division of number bases. We are done with the multiplication of number bases. This time, we are performing activities on how you can divide numerals given a base. So that's what we are doing now here. Uh, when it comes to the division of number bases, this one you need to uh, do some workings here. So the first step is that when it is given to you, when you are asked to divide, first you need to convert everything to base what? 10. Okay, you need to convert everything to base 10 first, then you divide and get your value. After getting your value, then you change it back to the required what? Base given. Okay, so whenever you are asked to um, do the division, first change it to you need to change it to base 10. Okay, change it to base 10. After changing to base 10, then you divide, because when I already told you that whenever it is in base 10, it gives you the same value. Okay, so whenever you have values without even a base, know that it is in base 10. Okay, yes. So because when it's given to you in this form and you want to go ahead and do the division, sometimes it makes the work so difficult for you. That's why it's advisable to change it to base 10 first. After that, yes. So that is how it is done. Now let's take example 1 and see how we can do that. Okay. So for 1, what we are going to do is that we are going to so this is 2134 base 5 divided by 3 base 5. So we are going to change all of them to base what? 10. So you remember what we did in changing from base 5 to base 10. You can write 2 times the base, which is 5, plus 1 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 5. Okay, divided by, we know that we are dividing by 3, so divided by what? 3, and the 3 to you change this 3 also to be base what? 10. So that one to write 3 times 5. Good. So we start from the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. By starting from the ones, we start with what? 0, and as we go to the left, it increase by 1. So 1, here will be 2, and here will be 3. Have you gotten that? Great. So now let's do this. What is 5 exponent 3 gives us? So we have 2 times 125 plus 1 times 25 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 1. Any non-zero number exponent 0 gives you 1. So we have this divided by, so here we didn't put, so here we put only 0 because that's the only thing we have here. So you have 3 times what? 1. Great. Now let's continue. So 2 times 125 gives us what? 200 and what? 50 plus 25 plus 15 plus 4, all divided by 3. So if we add all this, we are going to get so equal to, so if we add all this, we are going to get 2 4 divided by 3, and that gives what? 8. So when you change it to base 10, you get this 8. So 10 base 10. Now remember, it was given in base 5, not in base 10. So after changing to base 10, then you change it back to base 5, and you know how to change it to base 5. So you write your 5 here, and then my 98. Then we have the remainder. So remember, we've done all this in our previous video, so this one we don't have to waste time. Now 5 divides 9 is how many times? So we know that you are going to get 19. Remainder what? 3. You can still divide 19 by 5, and that also gives 3. Remainder 4. Now here we can divide. Even if you want to divide, here will be 0, remainder the 3. Then we can have this. Okay, good. So it means that we are going to have this is going to be 3, 4, 3 base what? 5. So it means that therefore 2, 1, 3, 4 base 5 divided by 3 base 5 is equal to 3, 4, 3 base 5. So it is very simple like that. Okay, so when you are given the division part to do, that is how you go about it. Now let's solve the second example. Let's solve the second example. Okay, so for example 2, this is what we have, and it follows the same procedure. So we have 2 multiplying 4 plus 0 multiplying 4 plus 1 multiplying what? 4, all divided by 2 multiplying 4 plus 3 multiplying 4. So let me distribute 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. Great. Now we know that 4 squared gives me, so 2 times 16 plus 0 times 4 plus this times that will give me 1 times 1, all divided by 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. So we have 2 times 16 gives us what? 32 plus, so we know that this is 0, this is what? Plus 1, which gives us what? This times that is 8 plus 3. So we have 33. We have 33 here, which is divided by 11. And in this case, we are going to have what? 3, and it is in base what? 10. Good. So if it is in base 10, then you change this to base what? 5. So if that is the case, then you change it to base 4 rather, because the question was given in base 4. So if that's the case, then I'll write my 4 here, my 3 here, my remainder. Good. So it means 4 is going to divide 3, but note that 4 is less than what? 4 is greater than 3. So it can't divide, and therefore we need to keep the answer. So if 4 divides 3, definitely we are getting 0, and still the remainder will be the 3. So it means that we are taking this value as 3. So our answer is 3 base 5. Okay, so we can conclude that therefore 201 base 4, oh, this is base 4 rather, not 5, and this is base 4 divided by 3 base 4 is equal to 3 base 4. So this one is also basic. Okay, now whenever you are given these types of question, that is how you go about it. Okay, so we are done with the 4 basic operations, okay, of mathematics on number basis, and in our next video we are going to look at how we can solve equations involving number basis. Okay, equations of number basis, we are going to look at that. All right, so see you next time. Bye bye.